Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So today we've got a little bit different custom film. We've got the red line skulls. It's similar to like the blue line American flag or anything like that, except it's got the skull pattern in it right here that you can see. Now this is custom printed for us. What we're going to be doing is dipping a speed shape. It's one of our training speed shapes that we got, so of course it's cracked and not really the best looking, but you get the idea on it. So we're going to go ahead and lay this out here and cut that. Now one thing you always want to make sure is that whenever you're pulling it, you want to grab this edge like that and pull it straight back just like that. And by doing that, it'll give you a really nice edge all the way around, and also it'll make sure that it doesn't pull any of the backing up with it on the film. So we'll go ahead and throw that away, and now we've got our film. And of course, remember the backing side always goes down on the water. So we'll take this, go over here to the tank, and lay it down and see what we can do. So again, the tank's sitting at about 84 degrees right now, and so we'll turn our timer on. We'll pull this down. So we got a little bit of water right in here, not really a big deal. We'll just miss it and dip over here in this area right here, and so we'll see what happens with it. So everything looks good. We've got about 20-30 more seconds left. We'll get some gloves on and then go again with it. Now one thing to make sure of is if you do get a bubble in it, try to get it out as soon as possible, so that way the film doesn't rip or tear whenever you're trying to blow it out. Also too, it's never really a good idea to actually push on the film. It's better to try to blow it out using either the pressure from the activator gun or using just your mouth to blow it out. So we're going to activate it here. We got 60 seconds. We're going to activate it. This is the Liquid Concepts activator. So we'll go ahead and spray 2 passes, one on the top, one on the bottom, and we'll spray it one more time on the bottom. It looked like it wasn't quite enough there. So we got the film all glassed out really nice. Everything looks good with it. And so then we'll take and dip it, and of course we got our white speed shape here. Go ahead, roll it around, and there we go. So it looks like it dipped really well. Everything worked good on it, stretched really well. If you're in the market for a custom film, definitely let us know. You can check out our website, liquidconcepts.com, or if you have any questions, you can always call us. Number's 501-455-5500, or you can also email us at info@liquidconcepts.com. Thank you guys for checking us out, and we'll see you next time.